everyone, and welcome to How to Move Through Amsterdam. Today we're hitting the road and exploring the bus system.
With over 30 bus lines crossing the city, it's a great way to get around town, especially if your destination is off the beaten path. Let's get into it.
Unlike the trams that operate mainly in the city center, buses can take you to hidden gems and neighborhoods outside of the city.
Kind of like the metro, but for real sightseeing fans. It's above ground and it's a bit slower, so you can really take in all the sights.
Just like the tram and the metro, you'll have to purchase a ticket, but your options are the same. You can either check in with your bank card or you can get it online. Download the 9292 app to find real-time bus arrival information, plan your route, or explore different bus lines.
Bus stops can usually be spotted by the blue bus sign. Most of the time, you can wait for the bus in the glass bus shelter. Handy, seeing as it does tend to rain quite a bit in Amsterdam. To board, simply wait at the bus stop and wave to the approaching bus to signal them to stop.
Once the bus comes to a complete stop, board through the front doors only. Tap your phone or card to check in and find a seat. Keep your phone or card close by because you also need to check out when you depart the bus. You can exit through the doors in the middle.
There's limited space for luggage on board, so keep bulky bags to a minimum during peak hours. Most buses do have accessibility features, including designated wheelchair and stroller spaces.
While you won't get the panoramic views from an open-air top deck, you'll still have a comfortable and convenient ride on the bus. If you're nearing your stop, press the red button to signal the driver. The doors will open automatically when the bus reaches the stop.
Unlike trams and metros, some bus routes operate during the night, though not as frequently as throughout the day. Check 9292 or your route planning app for more specific timetables.
So, whether you're a seasoned explorer visiting Amsterdam for the first time or have a specific destination in mind, the bus is a great and reliable way to get around.
So hop on board, explore hidden corners, and experience Amsterdam from a different perspective.